I am so ready for fall, and today I am preparing my home for a cozy, healthy fall season. My preparation is simple, but it really makes a huge difference for me, and it helps me enter into the season feeling more put together, organized, and happy. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marissa. I am a pharmacist and health coach, and I'm very passionate about healthy living and taking care of yourself so that you can feel good, be healthy, and live a joyful life. Fall is my favorite time of year, as it is for many others. It's a great time to rest and enjoy holidays and spend time with friends and family, but it can also be a stressful time of year. There is a lot going on, and because of that, I like to do a couple of things that help me to transition from summer to fall so that I can start off my fall season on a good note. There aren't many, and a lot of these things, these habits, I already do, but I do like to put a fall spin on them. I also find that I really need to just carve out a day and get these things done, because otherwise it's probably not going to happen, or at the very least, they're all going to happen like sporadically, like here and there. And then my mind just feels like it's all over the place and it stresses me out. So this way I carve out some time and I get these things done, and then my mind just feels like it's freed up and my home feels cozy and inviting, and I can go back to my daily life and also enjoy lots of fall activities along the way without feeling super scattered or like I'm working from behind. So I like to start by cleaning up my home and tidying things up. I work from home full time, and so by the end of the summer, things really need to be organized and put away, especially in my kitchen and in my office. So for the kitchen, I put away dishes, switch out the drying mat, and organize all of my recipes that are kind of just lying around everywhere on the counter, which lately have been a lot of sourdough ones. Then I like to clean all of the surfaces with my Thieves cleaner. This is a plant-based, non-toxic cleaner. There are no harsh chemicals or fragrance in here, and it is the only cleaner that I have used for years to clean my home from top to bottom, and it always does a great job of getting the job done. I used to have a whole cabinet full of various cleaners under my sinks, and I was able to ditch all of them at once because now I use this. It is a concentrate, and one bottle will last you for months and months. It's actually saved me a lot of money, which is great. And I'm going to make a few fall-inspired all-purpose cleaners today. This way they are made, they're ready to go, and I can just grab it and start cleaning. Plus, whenever I'm cleaning, my house is going to smell really good, and it's going to give all of the fall vibes, which is great. It's going to get rid of odors, and thanks to the essential oils that are present in here, it will actually help support my immune system at the same time, which is really cool. So today I am making a pumpkin spice all-purpose cleaner, very classic scent, and a harvest scented all-purpose cleaner. So I am adding 1 capful of the Thieves household cleaner concentrate into each 16-ounce glass spray bottle, along with some essential oils. For the pumpkin spice scent, I put in 6 drops of Christmas spirit essential oil, 6 drops of clove essential oil, and 5 drops of nutmeg essential oil. And for the harvest scent, I am putting in 5 drops of bergamot, 4 drops of nutmeg, and 4 drops of clove essential oil. Then I fill up the bottles the rest of the way with water, put the spray nozzles back on the bottle, and give them a good shake. And now they are both ready to be used. I keep them both upstairs and downstairs. That way I'm not having to run around the house trying to find a cleaner. They're just all over the house. I use this cleaner everywhere in my house, from countertops to sinks, windows, appliances, even in the refrigerator, essentially all over. And for the sink, I like to make a Thieves soft scrub. So this is totally natural. And what I do is I mix together the Thieves cleaner concentrate with some baking soda until it forms a thick paste. And then I use that with a sponge that I designate for cleaning. And I scrub my sink essentially all over, especially around the drain. For my office and my bedroom and any other room in the house, I basically do the exact same thing. I'll put things away, tidy things up, organize papers. I also like to go through my clothes this time of year and see if there's anything that I want to donate and get rid of. And then I will go ahead and clean everything with the Thieves cleaner, get rid of any dust that has built up over the last few months. And this really just helps me to reset and release stress. Looking at a mess is stressful, and so this just gives me much more peace of mind. Once I am done cleaning, I will set up some decorations. So I just have a few things, so it's pretty simple, but it's still really cute and cozy, and it definitely lets me know that fall is here. So I have a fall apron that I use when I'm cooking and baking. I have some fall towels that I hang on my oven door. Then I head over to my living room, which I am sitting in right now, and I like to decorate this room. I like to decorate the side table that I have to the right of me. I put out a fall pillow on my couch, cute little pumpkin, and some scarecrows next to the side table. I like to put out some cute pumpkins, little trinkets, and a tray for essential oils that I like to diffuse during the fall season, along with my diffuser. I like to diffuse essential oils instead of burning fall scented candles or using air fresheners. Using essential oils is a great, easy way to remove some harsh chemicals from your home. And because I get mine from Young Living, they have the best quality around. I am also supporting my wellness at the exact same time. So they support my immune system, which is great to have all year long, but especially this time of year. Kiddos are going back to school and we're about to head into the colder months. They also support emotions too, which is great. So they help me to feel more grounded and relaxed. So when I'm working during the day, because like I said, I work from home, or winding down at night, or even going to sleep, I am diffusing these oils in different combinations to get different scents. And I really view this as giving my body self-care that it really needs. I get stressed out all the time. Life is stressful, work is stressful, and by diffusing oils, I'm helping my body regain its balance and find more rest, which I very much need on a daily basis. A couple of blends that I am loving lately are grapefruit, orange, and clove. This blend smells like apple cider. Orange, nutmeg, and clove is a cozy sweater candle dupe. Nutmeg, clove, and bergamot is a harvest candle dupe. And if you love a fall anthro blend, you need to diffuse bergamot, Christmas spirit, clove, and grapefruit. And for pumpkin spice, diffuse Christmas spirit, clove, and nutmeg. They are so, so good. Another thing that I like to do is to make sure that I am prepared in terms of supplements. I take vitamin D every day, but I am even more intentional about it in the fall and winter months. It is colder out, I am spending less time outside, I'm getting less sunlight, and so I really need to supplement vitamin D. Vitamin D is so important for our body for many reasons, but especially for our immune systems, bone health, and mental health. I also like to make sure that I've got enough of my goji berry antioxidant drink on hand. I drink this every single day, and I even just did a wellness reset with this, and it was so good. I saw such a difference in my wellness, and this is loaded in antioxidants, which is great to prevent oxidative stress. It helps to fill in the gaps with my nutrition because even though I eat healthy, I'm still not getting in enough antioxidants. So I drink this every single morning, and it's good for energy, and there is no caffeine in it. It increases physical energy levels, it improves sleep patterns, increasing time of sleep, and it helps to reduce daily stress. It also helps to support digestion, eye health, and whole body wellness in general because antioxidants support the entire body all over. Speaking of whole food supplements, I also like to take Ningxia greens. This has 60 plus fruits and veggies plus immune supporting mushrooms in here. And it is great to help fill in nutritional gaps in my diet. And it also helps to support digestion, energy, and the immune system. I also like to make sure that I've got enough cough drops on hand, a chest rub, ibuprofen in case I need it, and a supplement called Inner Defense. I only use the Inner Defense supplement when I feel like I need a little extra support for my immune system, so it's not something I take every day. There's also another supplement that I want to start taking. It's called Immu Gummies, and it looks really good. I'm excited. I'm going to order it in my next loyalty order. It supports your immune system. It contains beta-glucans from algae, elderberry fruit juice concentrate, elderflower natural flavor, and lime essential oil. It protects against oxidative stress, supports upper respiratory tract health, and it supports gut barrier integrity and function. Your gut health is a huge determinant of your immune health because 70% of your immune system is located within your gut. So if you really want to support your immune system, support your gut health. So I just check on my supply on all of those, and then whatever I need to restock on, I will add to my next loyalty order. Or another thing I like to do is use my loyalty points to get those, which is great because then all I pay is shipping. really great. I usually get my goji berry antioxidant drink that way and a lot of my other supplements as well. Lastly, I also like to get a cozy throw blanket for the couch. My grandmother actually made this one for me, which makes it all the more special. And using this to snuggle on the couch with a fall romance novel or a fall like Hallmark movie or something, it just sounds so nice and cozy. I also ordered a few like fall, Halloween, and Christmas clothing pieces and mugs from my Etsy shop. I just finished putting up some new listings there and I'm so excited to wear those. I have an Etsy shop in case you guys didn't know, and it has like a bunch of cute like wellness and seasonal pieces on there, and I'm so excited. Okay, so those are the things that I like to do to help me to transition from summer to fall and to have a healthy fall season. I have linked everything that I mentioned in this video in the description box, so you can head down there to check that all out. And if you would like to get started with essential oils, then Young Living just came out with a limited edition fall bundle. It's super cute. It's got the oils, the diffuser, and the thieves cleaner that I used in this video. It is limited edition, so if you want it, then make sure to order it before it sells out. Otherwise, I highly recommend the Premium Starter Bundle that comes with 12 oils, a diffuser of your choice, and some sample products. And you can use those oils to make lots of cozy fall scents, support your immune system, and your emotions too. For either one, you can use my referral link in the description box and my discount code ShareYL for 10% off your first order. And something else that I'm really excited for are all of the fall recipes and foods. There's just something about fall and winter that just makes you want to cook more, at least it does for me. And so I've got lots of fun videos coming your way on that, so make sure that you are subscribed so you don't miss any of those. But yeah, so that's all I have for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Stay well, my friends. Bye.